All right, hello students. We are moving into our Civil War unit for U.S. history. So what we are going to be doing is each of you are going to be assigned one event of the Civil War. So as you can see, we are looking at two new technology tools from this unit. Sutari is going to be what we're using mostly throughout the unit as you guys are creating your presentation, which I'll show you in a second here, throughout the unit. And Socrative is what we are going to be using as our technology tool as an assessment piece towards the end of our unit. So let's take a look at Sutari and what we're going to be using here. So once you are assigned an event, you're going to be in charge of creating a presentation, and you're going to be teaching that event of the Civil War to your classmates. So Sutari is a presentation tool. They call it a timeline, which I will be showing you here. So here's an example. It's called Fighting Fake News. So what's real and what's fake. It's very interactive, so you want to make sure throughout your presentations that your classmates are interacting throughout it. As you can see here, here's some like poll questions and quiz questions based on their topic. There's all sorts of media that you can put in here. So you can have videos, you can have different websites, articles, things like that. You can also kind of assess your classmates throughout to see if they're grasping and understanding exactly what you're trying to have them get. Like this is a great example here of it's just pretty much like a vocab matching deal here. So as you're going throughout your presentation and you're showing your videos and your websites and your things like that, you can assess your classmates to see if they are exactly getting what you're looking for them to get out of it. So you can use all sorts of apps through Sutari too. Google Apps are all adaptable through this. So you need to have 3 different apps minimum throughout your presentation for your classmates. All right. And now let's take a look at Socrative, our technology tool that we're going to use to assess you at the end of this. So the goal is for all of us to have an 80% or higher once we're through this unit. But we'll have a lot of ways to get there, and you'll have a lot of times to reflect upon your learning and go back through to meet that goal and objective. So the space race is a great formative tool that we're going to use to assess and review. It's kind of like a review game, and you want to get as many questions correct in the smallest amount of time in order to win. It's kind of fun. You get to compete against each other. And then, as you can see here, we have a lot of different types of questions. So we can have multiple choice, short answer, true, false. So these are kind of ways we'll be assessed through Socrative. All right, so there's the Civil War unit we'll be looking at.